Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 1:35 p.m. and today is 6th of April 2018. So how are you guys? I am sure you are doing really well. First and foremost, let me thank you all, each and every person out there. There has been just an overwhelming response to the registration. You know, the backend team was telling me that they've just been not stopping. The registrations are just not stopping, they're just going on and on and on. So guys, what I'm saying, get ready. All my programs will be launched in the coming week. First, right after 9th of April, all these programs that you see here, it's advisory, the positional course, the basic course, the advanced course, the intraday trading and the Nifty trading, everything will be launched. Just wait and watch. Continuously keep on monitoring my trades, and we definitely plan to give you a lot more than what you are even thinking about. And see, right now I just gave a trade on my stock pro rockers. Just a minute back I gave a trade on the stock pro rocker, and I just want to show you how it has been doing. It just started moving up so nicely. Where is it? Here. So I sit buy Bank of Baroda call. This was actually 155 at 4.3, stop loss 3. And see right now, where is the Bank of Baroda call? Even while talking to you guys, just about few minutes back, I gave it at 470, 4.70. So, and not only that, this is one call. I gave this call yesterday on the open forum as well. Look at it. Every stock that we give shows a good momentum. Like Century Plies, we asked to buy at 340, it's 354. And all these are, most of them are basically future stocks. Now, look at Emphasis. Buy at 862. Today it was at 910. So this is our, mouthpiece, rather not mouthpiece, but this is how we address all our members. This is, Stock Pro Rockers, where we give all beautiful calls. Yesterday also we booked good amount of profit on this option of Bank of Baroda, and today also this shows me a lot of strength. So let's go first and talk about Nifty. So Nifty is actually doing nothing today. It's just been in a horizontal range, right? Just look at it. It's just been trading in the middle of this morning range. Neither it's going to breaking in the upward direction, nor it is breaking in the downward direction. It's just remaining horizontal, right? And the repercussion is coming in all the stocks as well. The repercussion is coming in all the stocks as well. They are also doing nothing. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they bounce back. That's what is happening in the market. So let's analyze Nifty on the basis what's happening in the market. Yeah. So see here what's happening here. This is how the huge amount of call writing happening at 10,300 level, and even at the put level there's a huge amount of put writing happening at the same level. So looking at it, what I can say that there may not be a huge momentum that we can expect in the market, in particularly in Nifty, right? But a bit of fluctuation here, here and there will continue. But if you look into it, it doesn't look weak to me. It looks solid and strong, right? It looks, it looks very solid and strong to me. So let's see what happens, because right now it is not going in either of the direction. It's not going in either of the direction. So hope for the best, but let's just analyze with respect to, RSI. As I'm building upon RSI, I will just delete MACD and let's see what's happening in RSI. So see, RSI is also doing nothing. It is between 40 and 60, right? It is between 40 and 60. As RSI is not moving, so is the Nifty is not doing anything. Today is a very good example of RSI doing nothing, and at the same time Nifty is also doing nothing. So if RSI has to move in one particular direction, either upward or downward direction, if the stock has to move in any one direction, even the RSI has to show us whether it should go up above 50 or it goes below 40. Whichever direction RSI will show us, the stock will move in that particular direction. But see here, RSI is also doing nothing. Okay, now another thing that I want to fine tune you about the RSI is the divergence, right? So what is divergence here? Let me take up a pen and that I will be able to explain you. So see here, if you look into the pen, the graph with the help of pen, see here. How's the RSI coming down? How RSI is coming down and the price is going up. If you see here, price is going up. Oh God. Let me draw it better for you. Now see here, this is how the price is RSI, and this is how the price is. So there's a divergence. Like see here, the price is going up and up, right? Price is actually moving. There's a divergence. Like here and here, the width is larger. This is called divergence. And see after that, the Nifty has fallen. So this I'm telling you in basically 15 minutes time frame, but you can take the larger time frame. When you take the larger time frame, the outcome will be more authentic, right? Outcome will be more authentic, but it's still, like you can see it more clearly here. You can see more clearly here. You can see more clearly here. If I take the pen, you see here, this is the divergence, very clear divergence, right? You see this part is broader than this part, and you see the market, this part is broader and then this part, so market has fallen over here. So this is called divergence. Similarly, whenever the convergence takes place, the stock goes up, right? So relative strength is something you have to watch out for. You have to really carefully see it. You have to carefully monitor it, right? So let's see once again what's happening to Nifty. Oh, Nifty is showing now a bit of weakness, right? I believe it's about to break its morning range with volumes. If it goes down, then we basically have to, there could be a bit more downfall that may come in. A bit more downfall that may come in. So what I wanted to teach you today is that the RSI is a very important tool. It's the part 2. Today I'm explaining you divergence. Now, if you want to see what's happening in one day, even you can find out divergence on a bigger time frame in Nifty. Like bigger the time frame, the more authentic your trade will be. So let's see here. I'm going to make it, rather than 15 minutes, I'm going to make it one day, and let's look for the divergence or the convergence somewhere, right? So see out here, if you see there is a divergence, can you see? I hope you can make it out. Over here you can see a divergence, right? The price is going up and the RSI is going down, and see the profit booking that has come, right? So on one day time frame, you get even more authentic trade. The trade will continue for a longer duration. The trade will continue for a longer duration. So, RSI convergence and divergence also you should be noticing, right? It cannot be ignored, right? Remember that. So now let's go back further and see what's happening in the market. So I did a lot of trades today again, and pretty much happy with what I did. So I'm going to discuss all of them with you, but before that I want to show you Bank of Baroda. So I traded in Bank of Baroda yesterday, and I've traded Bank of Baroda today as well. This chart pattern looks very nice. So yesterday many of my members were asking, why did you trade into Bank of Baroda? So see, this is, it was oscillating between 15 and 15, 10 and 50 moving average continuously for many days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yesterday it broke it with volume, right? That was my first, reason. But I did not enter it during the day. Why? Because the RBI policy was yet to come. I waited for the RBI policy to, be declared. After that only I entered into it. And today you see very clear price rejection at the lower level. And after that, the stock has been just moving up. And I have bought its call, a call of 155, right? I bought it at just right now about 440, 430 or 440. I have bought it, and I'm sure this should give us good profit, right? All right. So what I'm trying to tell you here that for me, what matters most is the RSI. It has to be, if I want to buy, it has to cross from 40 to 60 quickly, and similarly, if I want to, sell, then it has to cross from 60 to it has to go from 60 to 40. So let me just see what's happening on a lower time frame. So let's see. We will watch for a while because as Nifty is not showing a strength anywhere, Nifty is now showing weakness. Nifty is now showing weakness, a little bit more weakness. So what's happening to Zerodha graphs? I'm just not happy with Zerodha graphs. It has some problem or the other going on continuously. So see, this is the graph that you're getting. I don't know. It's absolutely uh, not correct graph, huh? So let's see, because to me, Bank of Baroda looks very, very strong and robust. I don't think so it should go down, right? It should go down. I don't think so it should go down. But let's wait and watch because I find this stock to be very, very rock solid. So if you look into the graph, for me, graph matters a lot and the candle formation matters a lot. So see, this candle basically is having a price rejection at the lower level. So I will just take pen and explain you what I mean by that. If the RSI goes above 60, it will become a very, very good trade for us. So let me take up a pen. So see here, today where did the market open? Market open here. Market means Bank of Baroda open here, right? Sellers pushed it out and pushed it down, and then it was pushed up again by the buyers. So whose strength becomes stronger over here? Because seller could not sustain themselves and buyers have become forceful and they pushed it up, right? So the buyers are very, very powerful, right? And it is visible in the candle formation. So I'm on the buy side of this trade, and that is why I have bought its call, right? And that is why I have given its call yesterday also and today also. I would like to hold it for 2-3 days, and I'm sure this will give us good profit tomorrow, 100%, right? So this is Bank of Baroda. I have done a lot of trades today, and out of them, some profitable trades. I mean, almost all of them were profitable. I sold Bharti Airtel. I sold Bharti Airtel. If you remember yesterday also I had sold this Bharti Airtel, right? Yesterday also I have sold Bharti Airtel. So see, again today it was a great movement in the downward direction. It was again a big movement in the downward direction, and I also shorted today Bharti Airtel, right? I have done a lot of trades today. IndusInd Bank also I shorted. IndusInd Bank also I shorted and enjoyed this run up. Now it is taken a turn in the upward direction. Then I did trade into few other stocks. Let me just show you what all did I trade into. Bharti Airtel, IndusInd Bank, Excite. Of course, right now I'm into Bank of Baroda. I did trade in Hind Petroleum, and I enjoyed this run up, right? This was the run up that I really, really enjoyed. So see here, the strength of a stock can be seen, a bit of profit booking, but after that, bounce. That bounce basically shows how strong the trend in the stock is. Okay, so what I want to tell you in today's class was that please, you know, first thing is that you have to join my correct Telegram channel. My correct Telegram channel is basically Stock Pro. This is my correct channel. You please join this. Here we also keep giving the stocks which are having a breakout, right? This is my correct channel. You have been here. You've been here like ever since this was my channel, but we are switching over to the new channel. If you see here, join this Stock Pro Telegram. This is what you need to join, and that will bring you to this point. Here you have to join, and you will keep getting very beautiful trades on the breakout, and enjoy good profits, right? Also suggest my channel to others and family members and friends so that they can all be benefited. And definitely all of them, all of you, your friends, your family members should join this free advisory which we are starting from this Monday onwards. Okay, so guys, good day. Really take care of your trades, take care of your money, take care of your learnings. And as I told you, it is not going to be an ordinary advisory. We will train you, we will tell you how we want to trade. And we'll tell you the risk management also. How do you manage the risk? How do you trade emotionlessly? How do you trade as if it's like a science, it's not like a gambling. In gambling you are very emotional, people are very emotional, they play with emotions. When you're trading with logic and reason, when you understand why you are doing what you're doing, why you are buying and what is your stop loss and what should be your target, then your trades will be correct, right? So we don't want you to become dependent on us. We will make you completely independent gradually. But there are many requests that I'm getting which just talks about um, which they have been requesting us to provide them advisory, as they have no time to trade by themselves. So for them it is just going to be from our side, for them, those who are absolutely, for them it's not possible to learn, because they have no time. So please enjoy good trades, please enjoy, remain safe and work safe, and please protect your capital by not gambling in the market, right? Learn it properly and then trade properly. I wish you all the best. Take care, guys, and help me in growing my channel, and help me, help people knowing about our Stock Pro channel, right? And tell people to join this free advisory service. As many people you've seen, how indoor people do, 50% this and 50% that. You have seen us working. It's not that today we are just going to give you a trade. You've been, you have, seen our trades. You have seen our trades for the last 1.5 years, and now you can experience the benefit of these trades. So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm expecting you all to be there at my website and join for the free advisory. So once you join it, we will keep, coming up with a lot more free goodies for you by people time and again. If you join it, you will keep getting those complimentary from our side. Okay, with this I'm signing off, but I really expect you all to be there. So as I told you, we bought it at 4.3 rupees, this Bank of Baroda call, and it seems to be heading up nicely. It seems to be heading up nicely. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. Hopefully we should have good profit. So good day, guys. Enjoy your trades, learn, and then earn, right? Stock market should be a place where you do not gamble, where you invest understanding what you're doing. It should be like, complete technology for you, and where you put two and two together and then figure out what is the right way of moving ahead. So with this, I'm signing off. Bye bye. See you